Hey Internet, for this video I'm going to solve a probability statistics problem. Consider 3 different dice. The first dice is a regular dice with sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second dice has sides 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5. The third dice has sides 1, 1, 1, 5, 5, 5. If a dice is randomly selected and rolled twice, find the probability that the randomly selected dice on its second roll lands a 5 given that the dice rolls a 5 on its first roll. So we are given 3 unique dice. The scenario is one of these will be randomly selected and rolled 2 times. We are looking for the probability that the randomly selected dice rolls a 5 on its second roll, given that the first roll is a 5. So we write probability roll 5, both rolls, given first roll is a 5. Let's take a look at the 3 dice. Dice 1 has sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 only appears on one side of the dice, so the chances of dice 1 landing a 5 when rolled is 1 in 6. Dice 2 has sides 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5. 5 appears in 2 sides of the dice, so the chances of dice 2 landing a 5 when rolled is 1 in 3. Dice 3 has sides 1, 1, 1, 5, 5, 5. 5 appears in 3 sides of the dice, so the chances of dice 3 landing a 5 when rolled is 1 in 2. Okay, so now we know the basic probabilities of the individual dice. Let's write it out. Probability both rolls 5, given first roll a 5, probability both rolls 5 and first roll 5, divided by probability first dice rolls a 5, this equals to each individual probability of the 3 dice being chosen multiplied with the probability of landing a 5 twice divided by each individual probability of the 3 dice being chosen, then multiplied with the probability of landing a 5 on its first roll. 1/3, which is the probability of dice 1 being chosen, multiplied with 1/6 square, since we want both rolls to be a 5, plus 1/3, which is the probability of dice 2 being chosen, multiplied with 1/3 square, since we want both rolls to be a 5, plus 1/3, which is the probability of dice 3 being chosen, multiplied with 1/2 squared, since we want both rolls to be a 5. Take all of that and divide it with 1/3, which is the probability of dice 1 being chosen, multiplied with 1/6 for the first roll being a 5, plus 1/3, which is the probability of dice 2 being chosen, multiplied with 1/3 for the first roll being a 5, plus 1/3, which is the probability of dice 2 being chosen, multiplied with 1/2 for the first roll being a 5. Punch this in the calculator and it equals 7/18 or 0.39. So the probability a randomly selected dice rolls a 5 on both rolls, given its first roll is a 5, is 0.39 or 39%. And that's it. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.